Yeah, slow down.
I'm already too close. My ears still hurt from the first one.
That was loud. That was crazy.
It's not as loud as the dyno. Come on.
Hello everyone, I created Android application where you have to guess which car makes a specific sound. I would really appreciate if you tried it out, and if you like it, it would be really awesome if you could rate it, especially 5 stars. Link is in the description box. Thank you for all the support and sorry for this annoying message. Have a nice day.